Yo, what is up, Vectors? Welcome back to another video. So it's been 6 days since I posted my last video on sand, and then I've been coronad, and then I was sick, so that is why I went missing. Right now it's all good, and I'm back. So let's stop from where we started. So on my last video 6 days ago, we did analyze sand, and this is when I drew the yellow line saying that how sand will be followed. So if you had long sand on, I mean, if you had long sand on whatever leverage that you want to, or if you have both sand and spot, you would have made a maximum of 20%. And then, as I said, we are started to drop, right? So most likely, as it looks like now, I believe that sand might come to $3.02, and then going to make a U-turn and then go to the moon, right? Let's also look into what's happening with Bitcoin. Yeah. So, so right now we are, if you look into the forward chart, we are below the 38,000 support level. We are showing all kinds of bearish signs. Uh, just by looking at this right now, there is not much to take, so let's get into a time frame lower. Let's get into the daily and see what's up. Yeah, so I think this is a good sign. So if you look at the daily chart, okay, so you could see that we are almost to form a double bottom, right? A double bottom over here, which indicates most likely we might touch the 33,000 range on the daily candle. So that's like, at least you should look at this 5 days later, right? So let's get back into the 4 hours. On the forward, we are just bearish, nothing much to say. We are just trading below all kinds of 20-day moving average, the 50-day moving average, and the 200-day moving average. We have a dead cross on the 50 and 20. So let's get into 1 hour. So on 1 hour, the BB strategy has already given us the sell signal. The RSI is below 50 on a sell position. The MACD is swinging downwards. So this thing has already happened. So let's get back into 15 minutes and see what's up right now. So if you look at the 15 minutes time frame, we are trading below the 20-day moving average, 50-day moving average, and the 200-day moving average. If you turn this into the Heikin-Ashi candles, you can see that we have already formed our beta candle right here. This is the LSML line. We have formed our first beta candle. The Bollinger Band strategy has given us the sell. The MACD has already been crossed previously. The RSI is below 50 and not oversold. So most likely we are going to have the mini drop, not a dump, right? A mini drop. So most likely, if I'm to make a prediction based on all the time frames that I told you, during the next 2 days we might have a dip, okay, instant wick somewhere down to let's say 34,000 range, right? So let me draw that for you. So most likely we might do this, right? Just to verify this, let's go into BTC DUMP. Let's go into daily and see what we can spot right now. Yeah. So if you look at the patterns right now, most likely this will look like a falling wedge moving upwards on the daily. Let's look through the indicators. Nothing much to say, it's already happened. So let's get back into 4 hours. We have a cross on the MACD. The RSI is at 50. Most likely will be start moving upwards. If you look at the candles, these are reversal candles. We have somewhat close to 3 white soldiers over here. Uh, we also have a moon reversal. If you look at the patterns, it's still showing us the wedge, which could break above from here. Let's go into the low time frames. If you go into the low time frames, you could see that we have a MACD cross. The RSI is above 60, so most likely this will start falling down during the next few hours. Uh, ooh. Okay, so the 1 hour is quite confusing. It's sort of neutral, but most likely will be start moving upwards, which might cause all coins to drop massively, right? So let's get back into 15 minutes and see what's happening right now on the immediate. So if you look at this, uh, we are making higher highs and lower lows. Uh, if you look at the MACD, we have crossed and moving upwards. The RSI is at 50, so it's on a neutral level. Uh, the Bollinger Band strategy has been consolidating, but then overall, if you look at this, I believe that on MACD we might do this, right? So let's get back into Ethereum, Bitcoin. So if you look into the Ethereum, Bitcoin, the very immediate time frame. So for the next 4 hours, we might have a drop because you could see the beta candle below the LSMA line. The MACD signal line has been crossed over here towards the sell. The RSI is below 50. The Bollinger Band strategy is also below, and then the beta candle. Sorry, the LSMA line and the beta candle. So the immediate time frame is indicating a sell. Let's go into 1 hour. The RSI is at 39-ish, so it's not oversold, so most likely it could drop more. The Bollinger Band strategy has given us a sell. We are trading below all kinds of moving average, and we do have, will be having a death cross soon on this one, which might, cause us to drop more. So overall, during the next 2 days, we might, we'll most likely see, Bitcoin drop to, will Bitcoin drop all the way to 33,000, 34,000? Well, as for now, I believe that we might at least drop to 34,000, right? So 3 to 4 days is a huge time, right? So things could change depending on, the money flow. But as things look right now, we are bearish, right? So see you guys on the next video. Make sure you follow my Telegram because I'll be posting, somewhat frequent updates compared to YouTube. See you guys on the next video. Have a nice day.